On 27th of September 2020, violent clashes broke out in Nagorno-Karabakh area. It is an area violently contested in between Azerbaijan and Armenia. And as the clashes broke out, different countries took different sides according to their religious orientation. Muslim majority countries like Turkey and Pakistan took the side of Azerbaijan, which is Muslim majority, and Christian countries took the side of Armenia. But India took the side of Armenia. India showed solidarity for Armenia. But why? The reason is not religion. The reason is cultural. India and Armenia share century-long cultural relationships. It was in 780s when for the first time in recorded history, of course, an Armenian has come to India. From then onwards, the Armenian influx has started. It grew exponentially during the time of Akbar. Do you know that the Chief Justice in Akbar's court was an Armenian? Akbar had one Armenian wife. And from then onwards, the steady influx of Armenian was continuing in India, for the last time Armenian immigrants came to India was in 1915 during the time of Armenian genocide at the hand of the Ottoman Empire. And as Armenians around the world were persecuted, but in India they were thriving. They were setting up businesses, they were running establishments, they were government officers, they were generals in Mughal army with the British. And let me tell you that they secured the entry of the British into in India. They made sure that the British East India Company comes to India to root out the competition from Portuguese and other European colonizers. And as they came in India, they also left their marks in India in the form of different beautiful architectural landmarks, in the form of other contributions, and they left their cultural marks all over India. But the city on which they left their most mark was in Kolkata. In 1688, they built the first church in Kolkata and the second oldest church in Bengal. And that church is still surviving. And let me tell you an interesting story. Kolkata celebrates Christmas twice. Once on 25th of December with the rest of the world, and once on 6th of January when the Armenian Orthodox Christian celebrate their Christmas. Kolkata still houses an Armenian college, though it is a school, where they impart free education to Armenian kids from throughout the world who are facing religious persecution in their home country. They come to Kolkata and they study in this city for free and then go back to their country. Kolkata is still the only Indian city which still houses a population of 150 Armenians. Kolkata is still keeping in its heart the Armenian heritage, the Armenian culture. In order to read more about this beautiful love story, visit the page of Indian Folk. There has been published an article in between, describing the relationship between India and Armenia. In order to get more updates on many beautiful stories, interesting stories about other topics, visit the page of Indian Folk. Thank you and take care.